This is our MOES Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock X1 series. Featured with multiple unlocking methods as password, fingerprint, key, and card unlocking. Charged by batteries and USB adapter for convenient usage. And when the lock button is locked, then only the administrator has permission to unlock the door, not allowed by other users. There in the package we have prepared the detailed installation guide and the cutting template for easier installation. Also, the double latches mortise is included for better compatibility and replacement with the spindle, screws and other necessary accessories. We have even offered the match card and key for more convenience. Before the normal installation, please check the compatibility of our smart door lock to your home original lock by the cutting template. Well, we now need to check the availability before making the mortise cable get through the door plate, adjusting the mortise direction according to your own need. Please attention that you will need to change the screw position to another side for adjusting the doorknob direction if needed. Divide the back lock into battery cover and back panel. Repeat the steps for changing the position of the doorknob on the back lock to keep consistent. Shift the left and right for left or right opening to your own need. Make the mortise cable get through the door plate and then fix it with 2 screws. This place is used for distinguishing double latches mortise. Fix the 2 connecting pillars on the front panel. Make the front panel cable across to the door plate and connect to the back panel. Put the spindle on the mortise. Now we can fix the front and back panel with 2 screws. Put the batteries correctly and fix the battery cover.
Initialize successfully.
Now the installation is finished for normal unlocking.
Unlocked. Locked.
Press asterisk key, then press pound key, and then enter 1 to 3 for 5, 6 and pound key as the administration information for lock function management.
Please enter again. Please enter again. Please enter again.
Now we have successfully added the administrator. The button feature has mentioned before, which is used for unlocking permission between the administrator and the user. Set the password, IC card and fingerprint information for more unlocking methods.
002 successful. Enter admin information. 0 duplicate information. Enter admin information. Unlocked. Locked.
Input the administrator information for Tuya Smart App configuration.
Press 1 for admin setting. Press 2. Press 1 to add admin. Press 2 to delete admin. Press 3 for network setting. Press 1 hotspot connection. Press 2 smart connection.
Pair it to the app with no hub required.
Successful. Press 1 hotspot connection.
Set the remote dynamic password for temporary unlocking.
Unlocked. Locked.
We can also set the temporary password with effective and expiry time for another smart unlocking way.
Unlocked.
More importantly, we can add family users and enable his role to enjoy the smart lock together. Besides, if there is the NFC on your smartphones, you can record a keycard for another unlocking experience.
Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. 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 Unlocked.